is an unboxing video. My computer has just died out. It's about the I think it's the, wow, so hot, the CGA card has surrendered. So let me see. Now I'm using my mobile to record. But the thing is, when I'm videoing, I'm not sure about like when the phone cut off. But let me see. Not sure what kind of like angle the camera, maybe I'm not in or I'm half in or whatever. Just be patient with me. I'm looking for, oh yeah, this is the one. Okay. Unboxing. Okay, RAM card. Great. Okay. This is what I've been expecting. Okay, in the box. I think the camera can have. This is a tripod. 2 memory card, 64 and 32. And this is the camera clip, I believe. Yep. A holder to attach the, what you call, handy movie maker. Handy movie maker. Wait, how come I have two? What a strange things. 2 items the same. Yeah. Is it like this? Yeah. So this is a little tripod. Very basic. I think this one is for here. For my mobile phone. Okay, and this is anything inside? A case. Is it? I don't know how this works. Oh, okay. the iPhone adapters and the USB Type-C adapters, and this is the charger, Type-C charger. Let's put in, oh, so I think this is the part that change it to the Type-C, attached to the phone. And then anyway I can open it. I think the memory card just on the side. Let me see. I don't think it has any battery yet. Yes, the memory, isn't it? Yes, it's in. And peel off all the stickers. No battery at all. Okay, now I'm back to my daughter's room, my messy table. This is the button to on. I have my SD cards in. Let me see. I don't have a tripod with me, so is it? I don't see any menu. So is it? Is it touch? Oh, touch screen. Video. And you can see the battery is not much. I think this is the. How come it's 100? Okay, I'm videoing with it. Stop. A lot of things has to select. I think this is the. They have a lot of functions. Okay.